Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Motorola Moto G86. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and then click install. Now click open, then click on this button to skip introduction and click open permissions. Then you have to select AI Assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps and click back. Now click back again and click here to start your ChatGPT widget, and now you have to open it and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.